Explain the term torque. Torque is the measure of the force that can cause an object to rotate about an axis. Force is what causes an object to accelerate in linear kinematics. Similarly, torque is what causes an angular acceleration. Hence, torque can be defined as the rotational equivalent of linear force. The perfect answer for this particular question would be a force that causes rotation is called torque. It is a measure of how much force is required to rotate an object. Define the term latent heat. Latent heat, which is also known as latent energy or heat of transformation, is the energy released or absorbed by a body or a thermodynamic system during a constant temperature process or an isothermal process. The perfect answer for this particular question would be it is an amount of heat that changes the property of material without increasing its temperature any further. What do you understand by dimensional analysis? In engineering and science, dimensional analysis is the analysis of the relationships between different physical quantities. By identifying their base quantities and unit of measure and tracking these dimensions as calculations or comparisons. The perfect answer for this question would be dimensional analysis is the mathematics of dimensions and quantities and provides procedural techniques whereby the variables that are assumed to be significant in a problem can be formed into dimensionless parameters, the number of parameters being less than the number of variables.